Hi guys, good morning. Now we're in the Mesa Nature Reserve. This trip is special because this is not about taking but giving.
Yes, giving back to Mother Nature. Hi, I'm King Tolentino. Welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, our company decided to do a tree planting activity in La Mesa Nature Reserve as part of our corporate social responsibility. This is to preserve the last remaining rainforest in Metro Manila and to protect the watershed, which is the main source of water for people living here. So when our HR manager asked me if I want to join the activity, I said, let's go!
Ito po na lang yung kahuli-hulihan na forest within Metro Manila with a total area of 2,700 acres. Yung 700 po, yun ang reservoir. Yung 2,000, yun ang watershed. Including na doon yung La Mesa Eco Park na 30
Kasi kayo mamamaya doon sa area na makikita nyo yung itatamnan natin ay madami ng punong malalaki. Ito yung pinaka-leaf portion niya o apical portion. Pag nagtanim tayo hanggang dyan lang, hintay lang po dito sa labi o dito sa ibabaw. Ibalik natin yung hinukay natin na ano.
The activity will now start. Now we have to walk 3.5 kilometers to the area where we're gonna plant trees.
So, o yung nangyari, ayan siya, oh.
Good time. Hey guys, do you know what makahiya is? This one, look. See? Cool.
Heyo, I'm vlogging. Subscribe, Shana Rose Stories.
Hello guys. We're currently planting trees.
Hi.
There's Odess, if you can see. And here's Edmar, our official photographer. Guys, first time namin gagawin to.
Okay, let's watch it again and see what really happened. I already knew the accident was about to happen. At this moment, the only option was to push myself away from the tractor. Edmar also snapped a photo. Luckily, safe naman ako. Let's go back to the vlog. So, if you're looking for an activity within Metro Manila, you should try tree planting in La Mesa Nature Reserve. If you like this vlog, click the subscribe button. It would mean a lot. See you on my next adventure. Peace!